Hey, this is Dr. Tim St Onge with Thrive Chiropractic in Branson, Missouri, and today I'm here with Brian Duvall, who is made famous for his drumming and his glasses, and his drumming on the Branson bell and his glasses. So I'm going to be doing an adjustment on Brian today. Brian's a friend of mine. I'll warn you about that right now. He's a friend of mine. And he has a very interesting story, and I'm going to let him kind of tell you a little bit about his story before we do the adjustment.
It's been almost 8 years ago that I had an accident with a zero-turn Skag lawnmower. I was loading it onto the back of a truck. It flipped backwards and pinned me for 45 minutes, crushing my L1 vertebrae, which is now fused to the T12 and the L2. I have severe neuropathy, bowel and bladder issues, just a lot of side effects from a freak accident, I guess would be the best way to say it.
Freak accident is a pretty good description of it, yes.
Yeah, life-changing. But Tim's been helping me. He's helping me with my mobility. He's helping me regain a better stride in my walk and just better posture, and hopefully be able to reverse some of the effects of what happened after the accident. So.
Yeah, okay. He actually made a video, and I'm going to put a link to it in the description. No, I'll put a link to it in the comment section below. I would highly recommend you go take a look at that. It's about 15 minutes long, and he kind of describes the whole incident that happened. It's very fascinating. You really should go take a look at it.
Definitely.
All right, so let's get started. So this is kind of the area that he's talking about, and so I'm always real gentle with him there. Of course, we don't want to mess that up. A little mobility in his spine. So I checked the length of his legs relative to one another. Unless somebody actually broke a bone in their leg or in their femur, abnormal or asymmetrical leg length gives us a good idea of misalignment in the pelvis. And he's got a little bit of a right short leg, which is pretty typical for him. And then we'll usually see it kind of bounce out. So we'll adjust it here. And then the other thing that I noticed is he's got, whenever I bring his legs up like that, the right leg will go farther than the left one. So that is an indication of the sacrum being misaligned. And now they're even. Subluxations were correcting in his neck there. Okay, I'm gonna have you sit up, Brian. So I usually like to work on the shoulders or adjust the shoulders because this modern day life causes the shoulders to roll forward like this, and when that happens it pulls the neck forward too, and then you end up having to, the neck is pulled forward, and then you have to have this really stressful movement pattern at the very top of the neck. And so usually find that adjusting the shoulders actually helps with the neck as well. All right, there you go, buddy. So there we go. That's an adjustment of Brian Duvall, the famous drummer from Branson, Missouri. Thank you.